bib. So just got out of the clinic, yay, because this girl, she be dumb. She be very dumb. She don't read warning labels. So, for those of you who ever injure yourself and think, I'm going to put a heating pad on and lay down, don't frickin' do it. Because my doctor just scared with me with a few little horror stories of how bad it could have been outside of a small little burn that I got in a rather sensitive zone. That could have been so very much worse. So basically what happened is I have a heating pad that I use for my back due to injuries sustained in previous motorcycle accident. And I decided to use my heating pad. My back was bothering me. And I fell asleep, and this is one of those ones that times out. So you'd think, be okay, be alright. It'll time out after 1 hour. 1 hour is plenty of time for me to fall asleep and burn the shit out of a boob. Yes, I have a 3rd degree burn. Right in a very sensitive zone. Man, that car sounds like... So, yes. Sorry about that. Tangent over. But yeah, no, definitely be careful when it comes to heating pads, because you don't want to be like me and be the one to say, oh, hey, dudes. Yeah. So, about that, burns hurt. So now I have to go to some wound clinic where they're going to rub honey and Tibetan oils all over me or something. I don't know. So my doctor described. He's like, yeah, it's covered. This is a good thing about being Canadian. It's covered. Gracious, because apparently I'm a klutz and I need to go to the hospital because of my klutziness. It's a pretty dog. Come on, peoples. Move. Why are we going 30? Why are you going so slow? Like, I don't understand. There's no reasons for this. I'm going to go to the gas station. I just want to get some gas and a chocolate bar. Because, God. Oh, what a dick. With crazy hair. No wonder. Crazy. They got some crazy do's going on in there. Looks like they stuck their finger in a light socket. Alright, so let's go in and get a wee bit of gas. Shouldn't have too much to do. Shouldn't have too much gas to fill up. Alright, so let me get back to the topic at hand. Seeing I've kind of just did a little joyride and a woo-ha. Yeah, I definitely did that. So, yeah, do not ever, and I mean ever, go to sleep with your heating pads or a heating blanket or any type of device that warms while you're sleeping, because it's no bueno. No bueno. Alright, so that's my topic for the end of the day. I'm not going to go into all the details of what's going on with the wound, but needless to say, you know the location, you know what it is, it sucks, and it's taking weeks. It's already on it's already on day 10 of not healing, so yay. So see you all on the next video, and maybe I will be doing something interesting, maybe I won't, we shall see. Peace, everybody, and make sure you keep the rubber safe.